All right, good morning, everybody. I'm here with one of my patients. His initials is LG. LG's been my patient now for probably, what, 1 year?
About a year.
About a year. And he's got a pretty complex medical history, pretty advanced diabetes on multiple insulin medications, as well as oral medications to try to manage it, as well as cholesterol-lowering drug and some other medicine. He's got a complicated history of prostate cancer, had surgery to address that, and he came to my office about a year ago to help with some of his complications as a result of that prostate surgery affecting his erectile dysfunction, and also to see if there was other ways that we could overall improve his health. So in this practice, we are very objective in what we do, and evidence-based medicine driven and result driven. So when he came to us, we obviously did detailed blood work, and we saw some major deficiencies in his blood work related to his hormones. We've optimized his hormones, and we have since seen his major markers like his hemoglobin A1C, which is a marker of diabetes, go from 14 to 9. And needless to say, that's something that medication has not done for him. Nothing has changed regarding his medications. He's still on those same medications. So we are 100% crediting this to the program. As far as lifestyle, he's a healthy gentleman. He lives a clean, healthy lifestyle, always looking for knowledge and education in any way to improve his lifestyle. And he's going to say a few words today just to let you know, as a 66-year-old gentleman, the service that we offer here. Thank you.
First of all, I want to thank God for blessing me with a phenomenal team of people. This fine gentleman here, this doctor, and I have to thank God that he helped find me so we can heal all of my problems from A to Z. And I cannot thank him enough. I normally don't get this emotional because when the Western world said there's no cure, he said yes there is, and I can't thank him enough.
Thank you.
And I hope and pray that him and his family continue to be blessed, and angels stay around him and his staff.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Well, listen, those were very, very touching words. I didn't expect that, but your true emotions do come out when you are really, really touched, and you're truly a gentleman. I tell you this, gentleman that you see in front of you, he was so appreciative a few months back when we made some changes for him that he sent me a beautiful card. He sent my whole office a beautiful fruit edible indulgence gift basket, and this is not the most he struggles, and let's say he went out of his way to show his appreciation, and we really appreciate that. And I'm looking forward to bigger and better things with you, LG, and I'm going to be here to help you out. Okay, so thank you very much for those kind words. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.